What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT. We are back here in the ISF. Today we're going to be touching on the GROM unit, and boy, do I have a game changer here for you. Any of you guys out there with the GROM unit that need some Android wireless love, we're talking about Android Auto here on the GROM V-Line unit. Bada boom, bada bing. Get yourself a wireless adapter and it'll change your life. All right, so this is the Carlinkit CP2A with CarPlay. And so here is the actual unit right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook this up into the USB spot where you normally would plug in your phone. So we're gonna plug that in right there. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna power on the vehicle and wait for the magic to happen. So here's the GROM. This is the GROM home screen that's loaded up here. And boom, just like that, we are connecting. Boom. 3, 2, 1. And come on, wait for it. Boom, there it is, baby. There it is. Now we are connected to the Android device, no wires. Okay, so there you have it. This is how you can get wireless Android Auto linked up with your GROM. Now, previously they did an update that brought the CarPlay in here, so you don't have to use this adapter if you're using an Apple device. But for those Android users out there, here it is, game changer. The Carlinkit. Get yourself one of these, hook it up, it'll change your life. Thanks for checking out this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.